Ian Parker asks, what is next? Is that an opportunity maybe to talk about this beauty behind
yes. I think that in our stable of vehicles that we do, our next big step is the Roadster. We have a crew of guys who can't wait to be building the Roadster. Any car feels better when there's no roof above you. I can't have the wind blow through my hair, unfortunately, but it is a nice feeling. So we've decided to build a Roadster. The advantage, most vehicles, you would question a Roadster because you would be concerned about the strength of the chassis. So today's vehicles, when you cut the roof off, suddenly the chassis goes, wow, wow, wow. There's no more strength, except if it's a Boxer or something that's been developed and it's got a massive tunnel to give it strength. Here we're sitting with a rigid chassis, so we could cut this off, it makes no difference. So it was an obvious next step. Take the roof off, it's not doing anything, it's not gaining us strength. We're putting the two nice big rollovers behind you, so you've got the protection. And then we're going to get very carried away. We're going to turn it into an absolute work of art. We're going to get carried away in the stitching on the leather, the color of the leather, the way you sit, the steering wheel detail, the gauges, all the things that the guys are burning to do, we're going to do on here. And we're doing it on our personal vehicle, so I can drive around on the weekend and brag with it. But the other thing that I would really like to do, and we're going to see if we can pull this off, is we want a rear decklet that when you are standing or parked somewhere, when a person walks past the car, you must be able to look through that decklet and see this enormous engine in the back. We want to see that engine. So we want a rear decklet that's clear for somebody to be able to view it. We want some interesting paintwork, like this is a matte, which it is the new in thing. It's probably not the right word to use, but it is. People are going away from lots of color. They're going to silvers, white, black, gray, charcoal. So we want to do that. And we almost want to turn it towards a bit of a hot rod. So it's a work of art on 4 wheels that happens to be able to go very fast. We cannot wait to show you this new creation. It's going to be something quite spectacular. We might just limit it to so many of them. Factory built units, we need to talk a little bit and we must decide how we're going to do it, but it will probably be like a limited edition. So many, one of so many, we'll have it on the chassis plate, it will have the name of the new owner. It would be something quite unique. Left, right and drive, all of them with the LS motor. LS3 comes in 2 variables. There's a standard one and then there's one that's been upgraded, different cam, but other 40 horses or something, so they'll probably all get the plus 40 horses version, but it will be something really unique.